Looking to take your video content to the next level? Our roundup of the 5 best camcorder video cameras in 4K and 8K brings together the most powerful, versatile, and user-friendly options for creators of all levels. From ultra-high-definition 8K resolution to crystal-clear 4K footage, these cameras deliver stunning image quality, advanced stabilization, and professional-grade audio. With features like night vision, Wi-Fi connectivity, rotatable touchscreens, and remote control, they're perfect for vlogging, travel, live streaming, and filmmaking. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned content creator, these camcorders make capturing cinematic, detailed, and unforgettable moments easier than ever. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Let's dive in and get started.
Number 1. MWIRB 8K Camcorder. Step into the future of content creation with the MWIRB 8K Camcorder, designed to turn every moment into a cinematic masterpiece. Capture breathtaking footage in stunning 8K resolution, or switch between 6K, 5K, 4K, and full HD to match your creative needs. With an impressive 88 megapixel image capability and 18x digital zoom, every detail comes to life with clarity and precision. Enjoy smooth, stable shots thanks to advanced 6-axis anti-shake technology, while the 3-inch 270-degree rotatable touchscreen makes framing effortless, whether you're vlogging or shooting on the go. The included remote control gives you complete freedom to record from any angle, perfect for solo creators. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi and the iSmart DV2 app, making it easy to transfer and share your content instantly. Even in complete darkness, infrared night vision ensures you never miss a moment. Switch seamlessly to webcam mode for live streaming, video calls, or online teaching. The external XY stereo microphone captures rich, clear audio with adjustable gain settings to reduce noise and enhance sound quality. From time-lapse to slow motion, this versatile camcorder is ready for travel, adventure, and everyday storytelling.
Number 2. Canon XA60 4K Camcorder. Bring your creative vision to life with the Canon XA60 4K Camcorder, a compact powerhouse built for creators who demand professional results. Capture stunning 4K UHD footage or crisp Full HD video powered by a 1.23-inch CMOS sensor and the advanced DJI DV6 processor that delivers rich colors and incredible clarity in every frame. Get closer to the action with the versatile 20x optical zoom lens, perfect for everything from sweeping landscapes to detailed close-ups. Whether you're filming handheld or on the move, advanced optical image stabilization keeps your shots smooth, steady, and sharp in any condition.
Stream your content live with ease using USB-C connectivity and UVC support, making it ideal for real-time broadcasting, virtual events, or online teaching. The intuitive 3.5-inch touchscreen and tiltable OLED viewfinder give you full control, helping you frame and adjust every shot with precision. With dual SD card slots, you can record continuously without interruption or create instant backups for peace of mind. Choose flexible recording formats like XFAVC or MP4 to match your workflow and production needs. Elevate your audio with professional-grade sound thanks to dual XLR inputs and 4-channel recording that capture every detail with clarity. Whether you're shooting documentaries, events, or YouTube content, this camcorder is built to deliver outstanding performance every time.
Number 3. GOGERLY 8K Camcorder. Capture your world like never before with the GOGERLY 8K Camcorder, built for creators who want powerful performance without complexity. Record stunning 8K videos and snap ultra-detailed 64-megapixel photos that bring every moment to life. With smooth 4K at 60 FPS and 18x digital zoom, you can shoot everything from wide scenic views to sharp close-ups with ease. Designed for convenience, the 3-inch 270-degree rotatable touchscreen makes framing simple, whether you're filming yourself or capturing dynamic angles. Infrared night vision and a built-in fill light ensure you get clear visuals even in low-light conditions, while the included microphone helps capture cleaner audio in busy environments. turn your camera into a webcam instantly with USB connectivity, perfect for live streaming, video calls, or content creation. With HDMI output, you can also display your footage on larger screens for a more immersive viewing experience. Stay connected through Wi-Fi using the HelloCam app, allowing you to control your camera remotely, preview shots, and share content instantly. The 2.4G wireless remote gives you even more freedom to shoot from a distance. From slow motion to time-lapse and creative filters, this camcorder is packed with features to elevate your storytelling and make every video unforgettable.
Number 4. Xoieod 4K Camcorder. Take your content to the next level with the Xoieod 4K Camcorder, a feature-packed companion built for creators who want stunning visuals and smooth performance. Record in Ultra HD 4K at 60 FPS and capture sharp 48 megapixel images that deliver rich colors and incredible detail, perfect for YouTube, TikTok, or everyday storytelling. The 3.0-inch 270-degree rotatable screen makes it easy to frame every shot, whether you're filming yourself or experimenting with creative angles. With infrared night vision, you can confidently shoot even in low-light conditions, while the included remote control gives you hands-free convenience from a distance. Designed for stability and clarity, the handheld stabilizer keeps your footage smooth, and the lens hood reduces glare while protecting your lens. The 16x digital zoom lets you capture distant subjects with precision, making it ideal for travel, events, and outdoor adventures. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi and the RoadCam app, allowing you to preview, control, and instantly share your content. You can also switch to webcam mode for seamless live streaming or video calls. Packed with smart features like slow motion, loop recording, and recording while charging, this camcorder ensures you never miss a moment and always create with confidence. Number 5. ORDRO 4K Camcorder. Capture every moment in stunning clarity with the ORDRO 4K Camcorder, designed for creators who demand professional quality results. Record Ultra HD 4K video at 2880 by 2160 resolution and 24 FPS, producing vivid, lifelike footage, while the 3.1-inch capacitive IPS touchscreen rotates 270 degrees for effortless framing from any angle. With 30x digital zoom and a rechargeable 1700 mAh battery, you can shoot longer, uninterrupted sessions, even recording while charging. Equipped with a 13MP Sony IMX258 CMOS sensor, this camcorder captures sharp, detailed images up to 24 megapixels, processing light and color with incredible precision. Fast capture rates ensure natural, realistic visuals, while mounting the camera holder keeps your footage steady for flawless results. Stay connected with Wi-Fi using the D-Video app, controlling the camcorder remotely from your tablet or smartphone within 9.8 feet. Infrared night vision lets you record clear videos and photos in complete darkness, and the wide-angle lens captures expansive scenes with fine detail. Professional-grade features include an external mono microphone with super cardioid pickup, an adjustable LED video light for optimal fill, and a lens hood to reduce glare. Accessories like a carrying case, macro lens, hot shoe bracket, dual batteries, and HDMI USB cables make this camcorder fully ready for vlogging, travel, or creative filmmaking, ensuring every shot is professional and complete. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.